Students, it is the fourth video of the week third, and I'm inviting you to look at this picture. What do you find in this picture? Can we give a title? I think the more suitable title for this picture is pollution. You find that there is a factory and it is a river. This river is filled with garbage and other contaminations. What lessons we learn from it? Is pollution is the only problem of some country? I think pollution is the problem of every country, every nation, and every society. Yes, the level of or the radius or the level of pollution is more or less somewhere, but pollution is the issue of the current time. Pollution is destroying people, land, and the environment. And pollution is giving birth to the environmental change, global warming, and much more. It is the responsibility of everyone to talk about pollution, and we find that international bodies, national bodies, they all the time guide the people, they issue the brochures, they write articles, they conduct research, they invite the international experts, seminars, and much more is done. And all is writing or speaking in which we narrate an issue, its scope or its importance, cause and effects. We give argument, share data, give statistics. It is called expository writing or exposition, speaking with logic, reason. Clear? Now come to the qualities of expository writing. Expository writing aims to describe, explain, or inform the reader about any topic, be it is related to social, environment, scientific, medical, or any discourse or setting. And the speaker speaks about logical and builds arguments. Clear? For example, in a scientific report, you might want to include graphs and charts that in expository writing from scientific point of view, where we use statistics, graph, charts, and much more. Textbooks are the example of the expository writing because textbooks or the syllabus writing and are, as I have explained already in the first week, academic writing, that textbooks are the syllabus is a collection of different topics, assignments, exercises. Clear? And it is always expository in nature, in which the data is collected, the things or the content is logically built, and it is easier to understand by the audience or the reader. Mean it is reader adapted. Wiki pages, for example, on Wikipedia, you find information is built logically. Presentations, seminars, okay, in lab, whatever you do, step by step procedures, they are all called expository writing. Well, just like all other writings, expository writing is at the top of all the writings, because in expository writing, an individual is able to express about himself, about the issues in social and economic life with logic, reason, order, well built sentence structures, very active verbs, clear? I mean, all these things make this writing more important. Well, what are the different types of expository writing? There may be news stories with comments, business articles, reports. For example, when you open the Dawn newspaper and you read the business news, business recorder, economist, or other platforms where the stories about business, articles about business, commerce, industry, inflation, trade are given. They start with introduction, they build a point of view, they share the statistics, they make comparisons, they make analysis, and they give conclusions. And in the end, our reader is able to find the difference. And technical content about the different machines, their working, comparison with the algorithms, and all that, that is also expository in nature. Problem and solution. Problem and solution are essays in which a problem is discussed and the solutions are provided. In most of the content writing, they ask the people to write problem solution essays. For example, how to maintain your garden, how to be safe from bugs and market uh, bugs and mosquitoes and other flying insects. Clear? Cause and effect. That what are the causes of different, uh, for example, the energy crisis, cause and effects, viral infections, cause and effects, inflation in Pakistan, cause and effects. Clear? Compare and contrast essays. These essays are also used in which the two products, two theories, do things are expressed. For example, if I ask you which which degree program is better for an average student, BSES or BSES IT, it is expository in nature. You have to, whatever the point of view you take, means, for example, you say BSIT is a better approach for an average student being less interested. Clear? Now you have to give reasons and statistics to build your point that how BSIT is better and not the pure CS. Clear? Then co-education, then use of social media is a blessing or a vow. Clear? Expository writing include definitions, defining paragraphs, classification, how to do processes. For example, what is the process of designing softwares? Quality check processes mean uh, to explain the mechanisms and processes we use expository writing. Well, tips to improve the expository writing: use third person pronoun. Do not use the first pronoun I, because in expository writing the focus is on the content, the subject matter, the theory, not on the subject. Start with the brief introduction of the topic. Use active voice. Write topic sentence for every paragraph. Try it to give a brief topic sentence for the every paragraph. Give facts. Give proper examples to explain and to extend your discussion. Build the examples logically. Clear? This is a technique of the expository writing. Logically develop your ideas. Clear? Be brief, short, and clear. Another tip: use the latest vocabulary, industry related standard words. Clear? And do not give extended or loose explanation. Brevity, conciseness, comprehensiveness are the main points or crux of the expository writing. The students, it is all from the week 3. I hope that we have learned a lot. Let me recap all the concepts. Number 1, writing modes are one of the very basic information or requirement for writing. Description means to express your ideas, feelings, problems, issues, knowledge, project, whatsoever, with sensory details. Narration, to express the happenings chronologically and sequentially. How something is developed, act 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called narration. Persuasion is used to excite the interest of the people, to invite them to do something, or to flourish or promote their interest, to guide or to teach them. Whereas expository writing is aims expository writing aims to uh, extend the logical information with reason, statistics, and all that. Thank you very much.